to eBike Style YouTube channel. Today's video is how to DIY basket that is easy and reusable. Here is what you will need: 2 lovely baskets, 4 zip ties, 6 coat hangers, but mainly we'll only use 4. These lovely tools, a fender washer, and machine screws. And then lastly, you will need these 2 tools. Hello, welcome back. I finally have screwed them in, as you can see. Remember, these hooks face down, so then when you put it on the bike, it can go like this. Just warning, it will take you some time because this is plastic and it's difficult to screw through plastic. Always remember to use a sharp item to poke a hole. Be cautious when doing it. Do not use these screws. I recommend using these small ones. So once you have marked where you want to put them, and then you poke a hole, then you'll insert one of these screws first. After that, you place this nice small little disc. After that, you add this even tinier disc and you just screw it on there, just like so. And don't forget to use your handy dandy tool to tighten it more. And once you do, it'll look like this in the inside. After you tighten it really good, you'll be able to have a nice grip on it. Voila! Wait, one more step. You get to use extra zip ties if you want to enforce it more. You can put it like in, so then you can have more secure. Yeah. After that, all done, and you can repeat for the next basket. Now you can add like in groceries, you can add whatever you want to go, put on your bike, and you have an easier, safer trip, and you don't have to tie rope to something to your bike. Hope you enjoy the DIY. Have a wonderful day.